My name is Sebi Salim. I head consulting department or technology department out of Eclectics International. Basically, Eclectics is we are a software development company. We are an IT solutions company based out of Nairobi. Now, I see we serve over 200 banks in Africa across 23 countries. So basically what we do is we focus on affordable solutions for these banks. We focus on technologies that are reachable, affordable, and serve these existing customers. So basically our platforms are real-time. We do lots of integration across different channels, and we are PCI compliant. Those are the basic standards out of the financial solutions. We've integrated to almost 500 utility companies and financial institutions out there. So basically, we do have customers in all these 23 countries, as you can see. In Southern Africa, we do have a regional office out of Botswana, which is called Tylersoft Eclectics. In Western Africa, we're just getting started into that region. So I'll take you through just a few items on our capabilities. As I said, we serve 23 countries in Africa. We have over 200 youthful employees, which I would say like 95%, these are core developers or development team. We do have over 205 financial institutions that we serve. One of our interesting products is our eConnect gateway, which, as I say, we process over 600 million transactions per month. So these statistics are from the different banks. There are a couple of them, like we have a bank out of Tanzania that is doing over 500,000 transactions per day. In Kenya, we are processing over 1 million M-Pesa transactions out of the gateway every day. So these are just some of the stats, as you can see on it. We've integrated to over 500 plus third-party organizations. Then I'll just take you through our case studies. These are some of the banks that we do serve in the region. We do have quite a number of them. Just to show you, we recently won the Microsoft Partner of the Year Award for 2016 on Dynamics or CRM. So we do have, we write, and this was purely because of our innovation, our deployment capabilities and support structures and the skill set that we have, we've invested in R&D. We've also, one of our key customers, and this is a very interesting one, is a cooperative bank in Kenya. We do have a revenue share arrangement with Cooperative Bank, whereby we've deployed a mobile wallet solution. Within 18 months, we were able to register over 5.7 million new accounts into the platform. So this has been a very key solution to us. We integrate on the core banking system. We integrate on the switch, the switch that they have. We push millions of transactions to M-Pesa. We receive millions of transactions from M-Pesa into the bank's wallet. You buy electricity. You are able to do quite a number of stuff. One interesting thing is on the loan side. Customers are able to just dial in and apply for their loans out of the lending platform. So that has also been a very big solution on our side. The other aspect is we've done over 400 saccos. Saccos, these are savings and credit organizations that integrate into the platform. So the bank becomes a bank for the saccos. So the sacco customers do not have the money to invest in the mobile technologies, but they are riding on the bank's platform to do that using the solutions that we've provided them. Next is CRDB. We've also been able to do financial inclusion products for them. These are a big bank in Tanzania. They also won a financial inclusion award because of the platform that we gave them. KCB is also a very big bank in Kenya. They won a social media award. Basically, they're running our CRM product, which runs out of Microsoft CRM, customized for the financial sector. So they're dealing with close to, on a daily basis, they are able to handle thousands of calls. They are able to get SMSs. You can go to Twitter and send your requests. You can do all these types of technologies within the platform. NIC Bank, you have lots of diaspora customers. they are able to do their banking. They can open account via our web platform, via web portal, wherever they are seated, and they can start remitting money or transmitting money into the country. Fidelity Bank is also a very big bank in Ghana. We've also done the same on agency banking. NMB is the biggest bank in Tanzania. Also, again, the same concept. Rwanda model is quite interesting. This is because in Rwanda we've set up a database. As a company, we've invested in farmers. We've gone down, partnered with a microfinance bank called Atlantis Microfinance, and we've been able to set up a Know Your Farmer, we call it KYF process. Basically, this database has 250,000 farmers with their names, their details, all their address, their location, the size of the farm, the number of animals that they keep. And then the bank is using this database to lend out of. So we've come up with a lending model out of this. So for example, a farmer with this size of farm, with 2 kids, or a family of this size, is able to borrow XYZ amount of money. So that is a powerful tool that we believe has assisted the microfinance to grow to be one of the biggest microfinances in Rwanda. So that case study for farming and for the technologies around the farming has really assisted the farmers and to help them open up and have a large number of accounts in the bank. In Malawi, we've done similar cases for one of the bank. They've been able to open the number of accounts within a short period of time. They've been able to grow up to 2.9 million transactions, mobile banking transactions out of Malawi. So that is also, we believe it's a very good model, and that's what we've been able to do. So we believe there's a lot of potential in Africa, and that is the reason why we're investing heavily in it. So thank you.
Dear judges,
may I ask if most of your solutions are internet-based, and how do you overcome connectivity challenges in the countries that you operate in?
Most of our solutions, I would say 60% are not internet-based. They are mostly USSD and SMS-based solutions. But now, as we are seeing internet connectivity becoming cheaper and easier for customers to access these services, then that's why now we are deploying lots of these mobile-based applications that are basically the mobile apps and the web-based solutions for the internet. So that's why you'd see on the diaspora banking is where we concentrate on the internet platform, because the assumption is there's good internet outside there. But locally within the countries, we do have most of our solutions are the USSD-based solutions for mobile banking.
How old is the business, and what would you say your key differentiator is from the big players like Finacle and Temenos are?
We've been existent for close 7 years, thereabout. We actually partner with these core banking vendors. For example, MySys is our partner. We provide the digital platform side, the digital channels. You find most of the big vendors, their core solutions is on the core banking side. So the key advantage that we have on the ground is we've been doing this, all the periphery system around the core banking system. So you find the core solution may not address maybe the check clearing side of the system, or may not be able to integrate to the telco side. So we come into that space to assist in these integrations and assist the customers to access these channels. So that is the space that we are playing around these the core banking providers.
Tell us about your strategy to not go into your own proprietary branded solutions, and why you continue the partner model, which seems to be working.
Well, our strategy is not to go to the core. You're saying core banking or core branded?
Your proprietary solutions, your own branded.
Yes, our strategy on our proprietary solutions is that we find because of the level of you find every financial institution, as much as we have a generalized problem, you'd find maybe they want to do like fast account opening. But you'd find a different bank has a different, you must be able to sit with the bank to to customize this solution to that particular customer. So that becomes our key differentiator, because we sit down with you and understand this is your solution, this is what you require. You'll find like for example, just to go back to the first account opening, there are a couple of banks that wanted us to go on the Android way. You go and take a photo of the customer, take a photo of the account opening form, do the KYC, issue a card, maybe a starter kit like this. There are some who tell you, no, we do not want our customers to go to the card way. Our customers are fully on the mobile side. So our advantage is that when we understand the specific needs of this customer, then we tweak our solutions towards that. Our typical implementation would go between 15 to 30 days. We've already deployed. Like we have agency banking, will take maybe around 60 days. And we do other things like, for example, we train the agents, we train the customers, we empower them. So you find most of them do not have the competencies as a bank. Maybe you concentrate on your core business, which would be on the lending side or on this side. You do not know which agent to get, where to get the agent. So we assist you in doing that.
Great. Maybe one last question from the audience. And if not, there is Dominic ready to ask. Anyone brave? Okay, last one from Dominique.
The sustainability of the business. If you're an integration specialist, are you finding that the clients you're working with, being the banks, see that integration expertise as being core to something they need to develop, or do you think they'll continue to outsource it to you?
Well, we've seen a couple of years ago. You find every bank had like 10, 15 different interfaces to connect into the core banking. You have a different channel coming in. You have a different channels coming. So the expertise that, because our application, our application is an ESB, it's an enterprise service bus that we provide to the bank. So we find more and more the big banks are actually coming to us to acquire what we have, to work with us, because their core competence is not on the integration. Every day there is a new channel that will come in. Every day there is a new service provider. Tomorrow someone wants you to integrate to Bitcoin. Tomorrow another one wants you to do micro lending maybe into another platform. So this is a need that they are not able to keep up with. So the advantage that we have is that we work with them, we empower them, we provide this. This application could actually be sitting in the bank's premise, but we provide the integration, the consultancy services, how to integrate, working with the different APIs and different types of integration tools that are required. So definitely there is still much, and the demand is actually growing bigger by the day. We are actually not even able to meet the existing demand for integration services. Just having one connection to the core banking and multiple connections to all these other different aspects. When you look at security, the PCI compliance, and all those other related items towards that.